All right. So, so we gassed up and everything. And now we're pulling off to try to make it to work. Let's see how we can do this here. Now, I'm not going down there where you can pull out and make a right. You know, I'm going up here where there's a light where people are supposed to stop. People are supposed to stop. People are supposed to stop. All right, so this is the light right here. So when they stop, hopefully nobody's going so fast that they can't slow down. I hope these motherfuckers don't slide and see. Look, see him? He's going too fast. What a fuckhead! I'm not even gonna try to get out there. These motherfuckers going fast as fuck. Survivor. That's what we doing, baby. We surviving out here. Survivor. Anyways, so you got to be careful out here. These motherfuckers are going fast as fuck. Look at this motherfucker going fast. This maroon Ford, whatever the fuck it is. Oh, wow. He's going fast as fuck. All right, here's my green light. Slow down, everybody. Keep your shit slow. Slow, motherfucker. Slow. Slow your shit down. All right, here we go. Oh, my God. Oh, shit. Here we go. Look at this truck. He took a chance and made that turn right there. Oh, shit. Look at him. Wow. Look where he got stuck. He's probably been there a couple days. This shit is fucked out here, man. All right. We are fucking rolling. I better put my seatbelt on. Why is it? All right. So far, so good. Wow. This shit is fucked. All right. So I've been at home for 2 days. So I really can't afford a third day off of work. And then we got a foot of snow Friday, so I don't know. Hopefully I'll just, what will I do? I have no idea what I will do. You never know. This is why you have to be rich. That's why it's important to be rich. That's why it's important to be very rich. Be very rich, man. Be very rich. All right. So far, so good. Oh, shit. This guy's coming behind me too fast. He's all right. What the fuck is going on here? Simon and Garfunkel. Well, so far so good. This road here seems to be pretty clear. Gotta be careful, man. Gotta be careful. Finally got insurance, but that don't mean shit, man. That don't mean start driving crazy like all the rest of these fucking stupid people. I don't know. Oh my god. Dude, I'm so fucking so not wanting to do this, man. If I had my shit together, I wouldn't have to worry about shit like this. You know what I'm saying? Get your shit together, JMT. Hey, well, I'm trying. All right? I'm trying. Oh, slow down, slow down. Oh my God. This is crazy. Over the rainbow, truly gone fishing. This is crazy. All right. Let me just go ahead and get in the lane here. Get behind this car here. Bullshit, man. Whoa, see? Too fast. See him? God, man. It's alright, man. Fuck it. Gotta be cautious, man. Gotta be cautious out here. And I gotta stop at the gas station before I go into the motherfuckers because I don't even know. Now this road's pretty clear. Because it's clear, motherfuckers are gonna be driving like maniacs. But you still go slow, man. Don't take no chances. This motherfucker's shaking. Why is this motherfucker shaking? Whoa. Well, we're 9 minutes in, not too bad. Wow, look at this. Fucking snowstorm. Yeah. It's cold. Get you some shelter, man. Don't be out here, man, in the storm, man, in the cold weather, man. Woo! Man. Oh, wow, look at this. Now, what are the cops doing? You got nothing. Well, yeah. Yeah, pull them motherfuckers over there speeding. You know what? What is this? What's he doing? Oh, shit. All right, let me get in the... Come on, dude. Let me get in the other lane here. What the fuck are they doing? Oh, getting the car towed. Wow. I have no idea what they're doing. I don't think they know what they're doing. 11 minutes into it. Look at that car right there. Wow. Wow. And all he had to do was, when it first started, stay home. Oh, man. When all you got to do, all you got to do. Yeah. Well, these roads seem like they're pretty clear, man. So, seems all right to me, man. Seems like everything is everything. Wow. This is like clear. The road is clear. The road to perdition, as of right now, is very clear. But the day of reckoning may very well be upon us. All right, now, crossing this bridge. Now, the bridge in bad weather, wow. You'd be surprised. A bridge is like a fucking driving on a damn piece of string. Car just sliding all over every damn where. There's probably a scientific reason for that, but I don't have it. Look at that. What the fuck is that? Something stuck in the fucking road. Okay, 94. This is what I gotta take right here. Let's hope that this turn here is oh shit. Did they? Oh, did I miss my turn? Yep. No, I didn't. No, I didn't miss it. Seemed like I missed it because all this fucking mountains of snow right there. What is that noise? Got a rattling noise. I don't know what the fuck it is. This truck's behind me. He needs to slow down in case I need to come to a fucking slow start. Slow stop. I have no idea what that rattling noise is. I gotta stop at the gas station anyways. motherfucker. No, no signal light or nothing. Just he don't even know where he's going. All right. Looks like we made it. Look how far we come, my baby. All right. Now, I'm late as fuck for work, but I still gotta stop at this gas station because my stomach is growling. I'm not gonna be any good to anybody if I'm on an empty stomach. Oh man, come on! Looks like we made it. Look how far we come, my baby. That's Shania Twain, if you if you didn't know who that song belonged to. What? JMT singing Shania Twain songs? You damn right, man. Love Shania Twain. Well, I'll put it like this. She's got a couple of songs that I like. I'm not no Shania Twain fan, but she's got a couple of songs that I like. And it was just, that song was appropriate for what I'm going through right now. So. Jeez. Look at this shit here. What are we, 17 minutes into this? 17 minutes, not bad, man, not bad. All right. Well, we made it. We made it across the bridge. My job is not too far from where I'm at. And I will see you again for part 3 of the snowstorm, man. Because we ain't over. It ain't over yet. We ain't out of the woods yet, baby. We ain't out of the woods yet, baby. We ain't out the woods yet, baby. Oh, yeah.